All right, guys, we got us a 1957 Chevy Bel. It's a show car. It's a beautiful car, really, really beautiful. It's frame off restoration, as you guys can see from all the way around. Look at that, everywhere. It's just beautiful, basically. Anyways, mid-length headers, there and there. Then down pipes into two flex pipes, there and there. It's got a 383 stroker in it. And we went ahead and put some what the heck is wrong with me? Some MAGNAFLOWs, 14-inch bodies, 2.5 each side. There'll be a link, offset centers. There'll be a link in the description, 14-inch long. There and there. Then we ran 2.5 all the way back on each side. Because of the fuel cell, we couldn't run it over the axle. We had to run it under. But it's okay. It works. We kept good enough clearance that he's not going to have any issues with it. On each side, there and there, wrapped some heat wrap around it there. And he brought his own Silverline tips. And we just put them on for him. There and there to complete the look. As you guys can see, came out absolutely magnificent. Just really beautiful all the way around. There it is. You guys can see it's like a brand new car. Really clean. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Right there. Look at this, guys. When I say it's a show car, it's an absolute show car. Really, really nicely done. All the way around. Look at that. It's absolutely beautiful. Just want to let you guys see that. And when he comes here, we'll open the hood. I don't want to open it without him. So we'll let him show off the motor for us. Look at this 383 stroker. With a ram jet system. Look at that. Wow. I tell you guys, it's really nicely done. It is really, really nicely done. Came out of Texas. All right. Just want to let you guys see. Enjoy. Leave in the comments what you think. I like that badge right there. That's sexy. Just cleanly done.